to my YouTube channel. I am Herman Baso, and now I'm going to give you a tutorial of my new choreo line dance. My new line dance choreo. It's called Get Out of My Head. Get Out My Head. It's a beautiful song from Shane Cott. Okay. This is a high beginner level line dance. There are 32 count, 4 walls. Okay, this is choreographed by me, Herman Baso, Indonesia, 2021. Okay, well, since there is only 32 count, that means there are 4 sections. Okay, so without any further wasting more time, so let's start with the section 1. Okay. Hey. Section 1. Walk, lock shuffle forward, lock shuffle forward, step forward, 1 turn to left, recover on left. Okay, with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Next, section 2. Cross, side, cross behind, side, and then heel touch close, heel touch close, and then big side to the right. Big side to the right, and close. Okay, with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, let's read section 1, section 2. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, next, section 3. Rock forward, recover, lock shuffle back. Okay, and then rock back, recover, lock shuffle forward. Okay. With the count. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's read section 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. Pedal turn. And then jazz box. Okay, with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's read in the whole part, section 1, section 2, section 3, and section 4. With the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's do it in 2 walls. Okay, by the way, this line dance is no take, no restart. Okay? Wall number 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall number 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of my new choreo called Get Out My Head. High beginner level like this, 32 count, 4 walls, no tag, no restart. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to your friends. Okay, thank you, bye.